Hello guys, what's up? Here's the aim of the game. I have to find animals as quick as possible. The thing is, if I find them, then I win the game. It's basically like a hide and find them thing. It's pretty fun. See what's going on, but still right now we do. Basically, those are I have to find them and get them. It was gonna be like who can find the most, but we might do that a different time on YouTube. But we do have failure right now, so the failure will work. Boom, and just wait. There was like explosions, shock waves, you name it. I don't know if you you can't really name everything though. Wait, we don't have the actual normal explosion thing. This fail editor sucks. But it is free. It does suck. But at least it's something, right? Like you expect more from a video. But we're not going to do crazy stuff. We're just gonna make quote-unquote videos, so there's ads, and you can get money, and then we'll start making crazy videos, you know? Only if Dimitri watches the same video over and over again. But still, okay. We're gone. Let's wait to hide them.
Hello.
Are you coming with me?
Sure, I can only go. Bring the bag.
Okay, yeah. So I know how something has to be in there. There's always something in here. I can't even see any. I'm not going for in there. There's 12 of them though, so that's pretty difficult. There's something in the buggy, I can feel it. There's something in that buggy. There's something in that buggy. I know it. I just know it. Something's gotta be in here. No, I've been trolled. Not really a troll, but why is there an apple there? No, that's Goomba. I see Goomba there. I see Goomba. Here we go. Okay, we got our first one. Goomba. I swear something has to be up here. I don't know. There's not a lot up here. So it'll take me like 10 seconds. Nothing much. Just a little dog in there. Something gotta be in here though. Do I open this? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. What? Oh, I found Spiny. I found a wild Spiny in the jungle. Okay. We found our second one. And I just saw it in the vid that we got. Those one. Why are you so lazy and you put two right next to each other?
Don't even bust on me. It's not being lazy. You haven't even seen other ones that are next to each other.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I know that. Like, that always happens. I'm not stupid. I can see. I saw right through the leaves. If I went right past them, that there's gotta be something in there. Yo, see too? Why are there there's a happy couple? Why are you looking in there? Why is there Luigi?
I wasn't looking in there.
So we got Dry Bones and Yoshi. We also got Luigi. There's no Mario, so there's spiders in there.
You'll be fine.
That, like I set them off, at least. There is that, but there's nothing in that. I don't know about the big bushes, but I don't want to look in there because I'm not in the mood right now. I'll do that on the way back. I don't really know. I'm gonna go up here a bit more because I just immediately quit the journey. I don't know why, but no, why? This is not fun. Why does this need to happen? Why? Why did you have to do that? Just why? That's ridiculous. Okay.
I only walked around this part of the house.
Yeah.
So they're all right here. You're missing a whole bunch.
So you didn't go up there?
Nope.
I was over there.
Nope. I was nowhere near over there.
Okay. But I was over there.
All up against the house.
Yeah, so it's all up against there. Okay. So I just feel past Michael for doing it.
Yeah, pay attention.
How much do we have so far? I swear something is over here. It's like the best place to hide something. No, it's not over there. Like I say it's the best place because no one looks over there. Like no one does. There's something under the stairs. If you see anything,
Why don't you come back over here?
what? If you see anything in the videos that I missed, then maybe you can. Oh my. So if you saw anything that we missed, then go ahead and comment. I can't reach that. Seriously, do I have to seriously get that by myself?
I can get it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I see you. I'm not stupid, Lemmy. I can't get that either.
There's one more around here.
There's one more around here.
You
That-
can get it.
And then I win.
No. You still have
Yeah.
a couple more.
Yeah, no. I can't find it. If you drew one on the roof, I'm gonna kill
No.
you.
I certainly did it. I said you can get it.
Hello.
Hey,
Okay. So how many more to go?
I didn't cover any of them. They're all in plain sight.
Oh, nice. So like in the butt, it's not even in.
No, none of them are hid or nothing.
See, none of them are like super hidden. Okay, it's good to know. I was gonna look in there, but then I got carried away by Luigi. So I want to look in here real quick. No, there's nothing. It's literally been like 7 minutes. Like probably like more 6 minutes of me doing this because it was like 1 minute intro.
I think you have one more, maybe two. No, flag's still up. I mean, it's not all the way up, but maybe you didn't want to break it.
So we're gonna go backwards. There's something up there. But I forgot to check this really upper area. It's Mr. Captain Tom.
There, you found it.
Yeah.
Alright, I think that might be it. You have to recount them.
Okay.
Yeah, it was something.
Okay. We'll bring them to the lobby. See you there. See here. And let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We did it! Let's go. We did it. I'll see you in the next vid. By the way, we're going to do a little dance break just because why not?
They all are.
Yeah.
Bad what's going on out there.
Huh?